How to remove stories from your highlight on Instagram on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, on your PC, log into your Instagram account. Click on your profile at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on the highlight you want to remove. After that, you'll find three dots at the top right. Click on it. Then click on Edit, which is the first option. Then press on Next. After you've clicked on Next, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply unselect the story you want to remove from your highlight and then press on Next at the bottom. After that, scroll down and press on Done at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. This is how to remove stories from your highlight on Instagram on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.